Making the beat for TV in 5 minutes. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ellop on set from ksound.com. I decided to do a video making a beat within 5 minutes. Everybody is doing the same thing, so I figure why not me take a challenge and do it. As you guys already know, it's impossible to make a beat within 5 minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a try. I have the Native Instruments Complete Controller here in front of me, which is what I use on a daily basis. Then I have the Maschine MK3 version, which is really lovely. I am plugged into the Persona Studio 2.6, which is a 2-mic pre, and I'm also plugged into my Studio 192 that's routed to another computer to make all this work, which means that I will be dealing with some latency. So if you guys see latency, something may fall off. That is probably the reason why. I'm using Studio One as my choice of DAW. And of course, since I mentioned the Maschine, I am also using the application as a plugin within Studio One to make it work. And it makes sense to have the Atom Pad, which is by Personas. I'm using it as a controller, so I'm not focused on everything from here as usual. So I have play, stop, record, that type of thing, right? Okay, right before we get started, I have a couple of instruments already loaded. I have Montai, I have Kontakt, I have the Beatmaster by Loopmasters, and I already told you guys about the Maschine. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And this is the instrument I'm using. Montai Sound by Personas, a stock sound. All right, 5 minutes on the clock. Go. Let's bring it back. 3. I'm just going for it. Like what the heck is this? Let's quantize and see what we come up with. I know that this is probably okay. Let's see what happens. Move it back up. Smooth that. Smooth that. All right, so we're gonna take this, duplicate that, or copy, bring it down to this analog thing I have going on. And inside of Maschine, because I know I won't be able to get this on beat, so we're gonna start with, we're gonna go to step sequencer, right? And then for the next beat around, we're gonna go back to my sings inside of here. Go to my sings here. Let's insert the pattern. I want the pattern to be 8 bars long. And we'll come down here. We're gonna bring this loop down here. Let's take both of these. Copy that. Right. Bring Maschine back up on screen here. And we're gonna go for my kick and then step sequence that in. Right. Come back out, get my snare. I think that's it. All right, so inside of contact, which is right here, I got a riser in here. I want to add some voices in here. How many times? We are at 1.5 minutes, guys. Okay. So if I come down here, all right, so watch this. Right. Let's just bring it back to like right here. Let's see what happens. So I'm thinking right here. Right. 44 seconds left. Didn't think to select the sound for that. Well, we got 10 seconds. It's time. I did my best. I did my best, guys. So I got I actually had fun. This is pretty motivating to try to come up with something within 5 minutes. Guys, this is what I do for a living, and I spend a lot of time picking the right sound, tweaking things, and and it's never within 5 minutes. That's complicated. Big ups to everybody who took the challenge over YouTube, that came up with some pieces that sound pretty solid. But yeah, 5 minutes, I can't do that. I need more time. I need more time. Even if it's for something that's maybe 90 seconds long, 60 seconds, 90 seconds, I need way more time than 5 minutes. But that's my 5 minutes, putting something together real quick for you guys. I hope you liked it. Actually, what I will do is make another video and kind of go through the whole process of me making this music for this TV commercial thing, right? So stay tuned for that. I actually teach this. I teach commercial music. So if you guys are interested in how to make music for TV, visit the link in the description area or in the cards above, somewhere around this video. And as always, music is art. You're the artist. Paint your picture. Stay creative without rules.
Enroll right now and unleash the creativity that lies within you. KU.creative.com. Creative University. Stay creative without rules. One more thing. If this voice intrigue you and the music make your soul move, my name is Ellen. Thank you.
I'm done.